and Medos. Guna. Lays up. No good. Buti na din si Idol. 2 points for Idol Torres. Garcia. Leading the ball. Garcia. Kick out to Toro. To number... Torres. Pass break play to Mejos. Size 10 move. 2 points. Our score 4-0 in favor of yellow. Garcia to Valero. Asking for a pick. Valero drives using the glass. In and out. Same ball. Number 26. Toto. Push up. Number 2. Same ball daw. Same ball. Chupapi ball. Sabi ng referee. Ibang play. Wait lang kayo dyan. Yan namin. Toto, 2 points for Toto. Bruno. To De La Cruz. To Torres. Bruno tries for 3. Ang layo niyan. Short. Rebounded by number 8. Pass break to Toto. 2 points. All 4 ang score natin. Cruz to Mejos. Mejos. Drive, side stepping move. Blocked by number 08. Antaran. Same ball po tayo. 13 to shoot. Mejos. To number 12. Stolen by Mejos. Defensive rebound. Number 12. There's a foul. Foul number 26.
Grabe naman.
First try by number 12. Short. Second try for jersey number 12. Wala pa rin. Pushing foul. Number 08. Antaran. Traveling tayo. Huli-huli ng mga referee. Hindi yan makakawala. Jasan to Garcia. Last 6 minutes, 20 seconds. Garcia to Valero, tries for 3. Malakas. Rebounded by Torres. To Bruno, pass break play. To Cruz. To number Torres. Stolen by almost stolen. To Mejos. Side stepping move. Kick out to Cruz. Malakas. Rebounded by 08. 08, pass break play to number 26, Philippine. No good. Rebounded by Cruz. To Mejos. Stolen by 08. Last touch yan by 08. Save ball tayo. Last 5 minutes, 35 seconds. All 4 tayo, all 4. Mejos, side stepping move. Kick out to number 12, 2 points for number 12. Kumahi. Nice pass to number 26, 2 points for jersey number 26. Josiah.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Cruz to Torres. Sharing the play. Back to Cruz. Malakas. Rebounded by Valero. To Toto. Toto tries for three. Wala. Malakas. Rebounded by Guno. Pass break play again to Mejos. Mejos. Zigzagging moves. Malakas. Rebounded by Kumahi. Tayo na ng bola. Tapos ni Garcia. Garcia, dire-diretso. Spin move. Traveling nga lang. Hindi makakalusot yan sa referee natin. Guno. Selling the play to Torres. To Mejos. Kick out to number 12. Kumahi. Kumahi. 2 points. Our score is 8-6. Dikit na dikit ang laban. Garcia. Last 4 minutes. Garcia to Valero. Umigot. There's a foul. Buli-buli yan. Foul number 12. Kumahi. 2 shots for Valero. First try. Basket yan for Valero. Second try. 2 for 2. Last 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Shout out sa mga viewers, 12,000 viewers. Bruno, setting the play. To Cruz. Malakas. Rebounded by Valero. Valero pushing. Go to Atran. Ayan na, dumiretso. Pinakali pa sa ere. Wait lang. Malakas. Kumahig. Fast break play to Meos. To Cruz. Silak. Sayang. Nabitawan. Bawi tayo. Antanan. To Garcia. Garcia. To Toto. Toto tries for 3. May tawag. Technical foul for jersey number 3. 1 shot lang yan. Last ball possession pa. Technical lang po, technical. Isa lang po yan, isa. Basket for Toto. 9-8 in favor of El Chupapi. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by JF Garments LLC. 2 points for jersey number 36, Justin. 11-8 in favor of El Chupapi. Mejos tries for 3. Malakas. Rebounded by Valero. Valero pushing the ball. Last 50 seconds. Toto, fake, drive, malakas. Last 35 seconds. Mejos, back to Bruno. Mahina lang. Sayang. Last 26 seconds. Toto. To 55, yes, pass block. Mejos, fakes, malakas pa rin. Hawi tayo. Last 9 seconds. Five, four. Our score is 13-8 in favor of El Chupaki. Shout out tayo sa mga viewers. Shout out sa ating major sponsor, Jeff Garments and Accessories. For your increase, please call the numbers. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. El Chupaki ball, El Chupaki ball.
Wah, buka ka.
Oh, yan, mag-iinit.
Ready?
Okay. Stolen by Cervantes. Jump ball. Yellow ball tayo, yellow ball. Itong jump ball. Lasing pa daw siguro. Nice pass, ang gandang pasa naman yun. Sayang lang.
Sorry. Bakit?
Hindi lang nasalo. Valero. Valero asking for a pick. Nag-drive. There's a foul. Foul number 10. Reyes. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. Valero. Right, 600 moves. Tawag kay Cervantes. Yun lang, nawala yung bola. Reyes. Sharing the play. Yun lang. Nawala yun naman ng bola. Jusayan. To Valero. Valero fakes to Toto. Wala! 2 points! 15-8. Lumalaki na lamang. Torres, that's his favorite shot. Short. Rebounded by number 8. To Valero. Valero, setting the play. To Puliona. Puliona, back to Valero. Valero, walang bumantay. Ties for 3. No good. Rebounded by Coach Alipaw. Alipaw, pushing the ball. Mejos takes tagging moves. No good. Defense, offensive rebound. Put back by Mejos. 15-10. Puliona to Antaran. To Toto. Toto, setting the play. 10 to shoot. Rebounded by number 08. 2 points for Toto. Timeout JSG. This timeout is brought to you by JFG Garments, clothing supplies and accessories. Wala. Back to the ball game. Bola ng yellow. Bruno. Bruno setting the play. Drives. Bruno kick out to Reyes. Reyes touch for three. Malakas. Defensively on by Medyo. Mejos. Medyo sa kanya pa rin. Mejos. Trap to Stolen. Kay San Antaran. Jason missed his day out. Ayan. Reyes. Tumeos, tries for three, malakas. Yun lang, libre-libre, wala nang bumaba. Toto, favorite shot. 19-10, Guro. Akto na lang, malakas. Rebounded by Antaran. Antaran, dire-diretso. To Toto, that's his favorite. Malakas lang. Okay, Bruno. To Meos. Meos, zigzagging moves, lays out. Malakas pa rin. Valero. Valero, drives, goal. Bola. Meos. Against Pulgana, 2 points, no good. Rebounded by number 08. To Toto. To Pulgana. Back to Toto. Toto, tries for 3. Malakas pa rin. Valero. 2 points by Jusayan. 21-10. 11-point lead by Chupapi. Reyes. To Bruno. Sayang. Ang ganda sana. 5 minutes. 5 seconds. Reserve sub tayo ha, boss. Ref. Reserve sub. Valero. Tupol yun ha. Fix. To Antaran. Fix. Fade away. 2 points. Napakaganda naman 2 points. Fade away nun. 23-10. Ayan na. Nagkamadali. Dinos. Valero. Fast break play to Toto. Napakagandang balik naman yun. 2 points again by
Sige lang.
Jusan. Last 4 minutes. 20 seconds. Reyes. Tries for 3. Short. Offensive rebound by Cervantes. To Gudo. Siya naman daw. Malakas din. Ayaw pumasok ng tres. Ng GFG Garments. Valero. To Pulgana. Last 4 minutes. To Toto. Back to Valero. Valero. Drive, kick out. May sumabit na lang. Sub tayo, Arad. Sub. Nice steal by Valero. 2 points by Valero. 27-10. 17-point lead by El Chupapi. Cruz drives to the line. Started by Jusayan. Libre-libre si Toto. 2 points yan by Toto. 29-10. Reyes. To Mejos. Mejos. Mejos, zigzag moves. Pull up number. Malakas pa rin yan. Rebounded by Antaran. Ang lakas naman tumalo na yun. Valero. To Toto. Back to Valero. To Antaran. Tries for 3. Wala. Rebounded by Cervantes. To Reyes. Back to Mejos, lays up. No good. Malas talaga. Tututok na. Upo lang kayo, boss. Pag by dead ball. 2 points by Pulgana. Red, reserve sub tayo ha, Red. Reyes. Pinabayaan na. Tries for 3. Wala pa rin. Pulyona. Tutoto. Sharing the play. Last 2 minutes.
Gana,
31-10. 21-point lead. Hurry play.
Good! Good!
Pagyan wala pa talaga. Ewan ko na lang. Sa Pirate Thumbs up.
Tara. Kailangan ko ng press kami.
Asok lang. Kumahig in. Mehos out. Kumahig. Yun na. Time out. El Chupapi.
Tumatakbo ako sa isip ko yung sinabi.
Yun, sasabi ko sa mga coach. Back to back. Last 1 minute, 22 seconds. 31-12, 19-point lead by El Chupapi. Last 1 minute, 16 seconds.
Wag para.
To Garcia. Back to Valero. Back to Toto. Libre yan. Malakas. Rebounded by Coach Alipaw.
Likod.
Alipaw. Dribbling the ball. Alipaw. Court to court. Pass to Pulyona. To Toto. Last 55 seconds. Toto. Pull up number short. To Kumaig. Drive. Short. Sa kanya pa rin. Offensive rebound. 2 points by Kumahig. 31-14. 17-point lead by El Chupapi. Last 30 seconds. Reyes. Reyes, dumiretso. Foul number 8. Antaran. Last 10 seconds. Two points by Cruz. End of the second quarter. 31-16 in favor of El Chupapi. Okay na. Okay, mag-ready na ang second game. A battle between Sharjah against Ajman Port. Back to the ball game. White ball. Nag-jump ball po kanina. Nag-yellow. Di-wait yun ah. Garcia. 2 points for Garcia. Bruno. Tumehos. Umigot si Cruz. Malakas. Rebounded by Antaran. To Valero. Harassed by Bruno and Torres. To Garcia. Donarecho. Lays out.
On the floor.
Nice hold now. Jersey number 29, Torres. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. Chris Tuguno, pass play. Yun lang. Sige lang, bawi na to, bawi. Sabi na coach. Garcia. To number 8. To Garcia. Alas by Mejos. Mejos. Lays up 2 points by Mejos. 18-33. Nag-isang din na lang bola. To Pulyon. Ten to shoot. Mejos, dire-diretso. Mejos, napakagandang tapal naman yun. Nice defense by jersey number 8. Antaran. Mejos to Torres. Wait. Kick out to Reyes. Tries for 3. Malakas. Pulyon. To Antaran. To Garcia. To Valero. Selling the play. Valero. Time to shoot. 5. Cruz. Torres. To Bruno. Bruno tries for 3. Yun, pumasok na. Bruno. 3. Soto. Gather pa, gather. Foul number 29. Torres, that's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Photo shot for jersey number 2. Toto. Photo shot lang po yan. Basket. Walang nakabakaban. Torres. Bruno. Bruno. Send the play. Bruno tries for 3 again. Malakas na this time. Valero. Stolen by Bruno. Bruno. 2 points by Bruno. Substitution tayo. Substitution. Sige na, sige na. Huwag niyong pilitin pag di kaya. Mahirap yan. Trabaho tayo dito. Hindi laro. Garcia. So... Foul. May foul tayo. Jersey number 3. Bruno. Holding foul. Bruno, that's your third personal foul. 13 foul. Turn to shoot. Same ball. Last 6 to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2, 1. Shot clock violation, mga boss. Shout out to Osmar, ang pagpumalik ng Panday. Mejos Torres. Malakas paras talaga si Idol. Ayan na si Toto, nagmamadali. 3-on-3 play. Toto tries for 3. Malakas. Rebounded by Torres. To Mejos. 3-on-1, 6 tagging moves. 2 points by Mejos. Lumalapit na, nag-isa na lang. Pulya. Garcia. 10 to shoot. 5. Leos lays up. Everything but a shot. Malas talaga.
Kisa yun yung brad.
Pulyona. Stolen by again. Leos lays up. Sinigurado na this time. Time out. El Jumami. Lumalapit na mga boss. From 20-point lead, 9-point lead na lang ngayon. Shout out sa mga 12,000 viewers natin dyan. Shout out sa Jeff Garments, our sponsor for this CBL League. Back to back to back. Last 3 minutes, 23 seconds. Ayan na, bumalik na si Valero. 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 Tapos po yun na. Ten to shoot. 5. Foul. Foul, jersey number 26. Yusayan, that's your second personal foul. Torres, to Coach Alipaw. Fix, Coach Alipaw to Bruno. Fix, tries for 3. Short, kita. Buti na lang dyan si Torres. Torres to Coach Alipaw. Huli. Grabe din yan. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Valero. To Yusayan. Cruz. Valero. There's a foul. Foul, jersey number. Substitution, jersey number 29. Third quarter. Warning for penalty, yellow ha. Design. Nawala by Cervantes. Dire-diretso si Cervantes. To Cruz, back to Torres. Pull-up jumper by Torres. 2 point yan kay Torres. Ba 2 points by Jusayan. 38-29. Last 50 seconds. Bruno, transporting, malakas. Divided by Toto. 3-2 pass play. Toto. To Valero. Valero drives. To Toto. Last 10 to shoot. Valero. Wala yan. Last 22 seconds. 2 points by Leos. 10 seconds.
Lalim.
5. 41-31 in favor of El Chupapi.
Kawawa na sa pupunta.
Sakto yung bitaw. Buzzer beater yun. Lumapit na. GMG.
Pagkata tayo. Yan.
Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter, pasok tayo mga boss. Last quarter na to.
Hindi pa gumagana siguro. Tayo. Port na to, port.
Gulo, send the play. Cervantes drives. Ibangin by Anton. Yun lang, nawala sa kanya. Mehos to Cervantes again. To the Cervantes.
Siya. Baba. Oh. Ina, dala mo. Pressure.
And the shoot. Five. Torres. Tugulol, Reza, binali pa si Ere, malakas. Ayan, Antaran. Behind the back pass to Toto. Nagitawag na bola, 2 points for Toto. Piso. Easy 2 points by Cervantes. Malakas yan. Rebounded by Antaran. Antaran, kumamadali. Pass to Bisaya Nilayat. Kaliwa. Time out. JFG. 45-33. 12-point lead by El Chupapi. 12 po ang lamang, 12.
Kalat na.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Thank you, Wisdom. Reyes, Tuguno. Fourth quarter na mga boss. Ready na kayo. Cervantes. Basket down for Cervantes. Foul, jersey number 10. Poliona. Bonus shot for jersey number 30. Cervantes. Cervantes, malakas. Tingnan na dyan si Torres. Hindi sila malakas. Rebounded by Gulo, mahina pa rin. Mahina pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Gulo, ayaw malapit. Gusto malayo. Grabe naman si Gulo. 3. Ayun. 3 points daw, nasa corner. Nasa corner.
Lapit.
Labas na lang mo. Hawak. Nice.
Foul, jersey number 10. Time to shoot. 5. 2 points. 2 points by Cervantes. Time out. El Chupapi. 5 na lang. 47-40 kanina. 47-42. 5-point lead by El Chupapi. Okay.
Muna natin.
6 minutes, 42 seconds.
Wala, kamay ha, wala pa.
Foul number 29. Torres, that's your 4th personal foul. Warning for graduation. Toto. Toto. No good. Rebounded by Valero. Wicks. Pass break play to Mejos. Wicks. Two points by Mejos. Tatlo na lang yan mga boss. Toto. Tumagod si Ray. Tulikod. Si Janiko. Open. Ayan. Huli. Offensive foul.
Number 08 ha.
Warning. For technical. 3 minutes siya mag-stop mga boss. Gulo. Tumehos. Bitawan ng bola. Toto. Foul. Foul number 10. Reyes, that's your 3rd personal foul. 13 foul. For JFG. Garland. Valero, pass for 3. Wala. Demanded by Torres. Pass break play to Garcia. Nakuha ni Valero. To Peter. Toto. Solo, 2 points. Si Torres. Torres, that's your 5th personal foul. Yes. Wait lang, palitan niyo muna si Torres. Okay na. 49-44. 4-point lead by El Chupapi. Bonus shot for jersey number 2, Peter. Short. Ten to shoot. 5, 2, Ayan na, stop na. Guno. Mehos, transport lead. Mehos.
Oh, kamay natin ha.
Yellow ball tayo. Biglang tumigit yung laban. 49-47. 2-point lead by El Jumati. Cervantes. Tukus. Tumenos. Gates. Kulang number. Malakas. Kulang number Torjoa. Tuto. Tulang ka Freddy. Tuto. Wala. Tumagot na i-straight. Nice box out. Ten to shoot. 5, 3,
Wala, hindi naman tumito.
Forty-nine, 47. Sige na, nailabas na, nailabas na. Last 1 minute, 55 seconds. Guno. Torres. To Cervantes. Nakuha ni Antara. To Garcia. To Valero. 2 points by Valero. Time out. FG. Sana lang ang time out nyo ha, yellow. Last 1 minute, 29 seconds. Back to the ball game. Last 1 minute, 29 seconds. Fourteen shot lang ha mga boss, 14. Reyes. So, 2-3, short. Rebounded by Cervantes. So, Reyes. Reyes. 3.
Dalawa, double toss ito pa.
Technical. Technical for jersey number 3. By Taylor and sportsmanlike foul. Uno, warning for graduation. Isa pa lang. Warning lang po yung kanina yata. Yun lang. Isa pa.
Wala kuya.
Basket. Okay, pagpalitan siguro.
Let's go. 14 tayo.
Okay na, back to the ball game tayo. Sir, kasi technical lang to.
Pre, kupatay.
2 points lang tayo, ha? 2 points lead.
Walang gagalaw. Steady. Pagbigay, kung mga gumalaw. Ready. One. Kamay mo. Kamay ha.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 59 seconds. 5. 50 seconds. Meron. Stop shooting. Wala. Foul. Number 3, Reyes. Number 10. Warning for penalty. Last 39 seconds, Vamos. Reyes at your court. Thirty seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5. Last 10 seconds. Wow. Penalty na mga boss. Penalty. Dalawa lang. Last 7 seconds. Galera. Worth 2 shots. Basket. Walang kakabaka yun ah. Time out kayo pag nag-shoot. Last na yun ha. Last na. Basket. 54-40. El Chutabe, isang timeout na lang kayo ha. Last 7 seconds. Last 7 seconds. Back to the ball game. Get ready.
7 seconds.
Charge up, bowler. Again. And from sorry. Cruz inbounding. Behos tries for 3, no good. 3, 2, 1. Best player, Tomo Peter, jersey number 2.
Nice rep.
55 points.
Hindi, ano ka lang. Akin yan. Okay, ang pumangit doon, yung kay Gina. Ba't kailangan hawakan mo kayo? Ang ganda ng hawakan. Ito yun.
Tsaka, hindi mo tatawagan ng ano.
Kita naman, may interior wall. Tao. Ikaw ba yung natitigil?
Alin?
Ikaw yung nandito sa wala.
Reyes.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Kaya kamaya mo, hindi mo kinamayan kasi kanina eh. Wala ka mo
Isa lang. Hindi siya mabigyan ng bola.